opens flat to double the cooking surface. Preset temperature is perfect for grilling burgers, steaks and sandwiches. Power on/ready to cook indicator lights. Adjustable front feet for better grease drainage. Brushed stainless steel housing, dishwasher-safe plates. Compact convenience for succulent steaks, juicy burgers and crispy grilled sandwiches. Look no further than the Cuisinart Griddler grill and Panini press. The unit's upper and lower nonstick, removable grill plates provide even grilling and toasting. The integrated drip tray makes it easy to drain grease away from food for healthier cooking. Designed like professional units, its floating hinge adjusts to accommodate any thickness for perfectly grilled thin or thick panini and sandwiches. The present temperature is ideal for grilling and takes the guesswork out of cooking to ensure crisp, golden brown results. With power on and ready-to-cook indicator lights, operation is simple. Even more, the GR-11 takes up minimal space and provides just enough surface area to cook for a couple of friends or family members. Top reviews from the United States. That is why I love this grill. I tend to want to eat immediately upon noticing I'm hungry. Weird? Sure. But it means I never got into grilling. Cooking the coals before you can even start cooking food? Not for me. If I cooked meat, it needed to be able to be cooked on the stove top, or be something I cooked in the oven when I wasn't hungry, and reheated in the microwave when I was. Turning on the oven in Texas in the summer is not something I generally tend to do, which further limited my options. That is why I love this grill. Chicken, fish, wrapped in foil, burgers, fajita meat, whatever, it's already 20 minutes after I decided I want food. I plug the grill into preheat while I season whatever I'm grilling, through the food on the grill, and by the time I've prepared the rest of my meal, i.e. microwaved some veggies and blended a sorbet, the meat is ready, and always delicious. And certainly not to my credit, as you may have guessed reading this review, I'm not a skilled cook. Quick, easy, good food. It can cook either one split chicken breast, 2 burgers, a couple fillets of fish, or half a dozen sausage links in one go, which is great, but if you're cooking for more than a couple adults and a small child, you may need a larger grill.